Hello friends, Zenkahuna here. It is the last day of 2011, so to bring in the new year, we're going to knock out some more primal play. Today we're going to start off with, I'll be in the sand pit first with the Sledgehammer, and we'll have Buffalo Thief's going to be doing a traveling mill, and then Coach Tara's going to be doing a figure eight to a pop. Then after I've gone 25 rounds in the Sledgehammer pit, we'll all switch, and then the next person's done 25, we'll all switch again. That'll be our rhythm. Okay, let's get started. Shift. This is fun.
Done.
All right. So, we'll take a short break, about 30 or 40 seconds, and we'll go through the whole thing 2 more times. This really is great because it gives you such diversity of movement. Your skill sets are different for each one, and using 3 different pieces of equipment, everything just gets really juicy this way. So have fun with it, extend it as much as you want. You can add additional movements if you like, make it your own, and always make it fun.